Samsung has officially announced that its phones will be available in 2024. The S24 Ultra will be able to instantly translate any language. For example, if someone is speaking German, you will hear and see English in text form. According to Samsung, this is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what the S24 Ultra can do with Galaxy AI's help. You will be able to type anything into your phones to make images, which is great. Furthermore, with correct AI suggestion, a ChatGPT-like AI model would assist you in answering any question and composing better sentences in your conversations and emails. Samsung's major selling point for the S24 Ultra will be Galaxy AI. But that's not all. We have a lot more amazing features to talk about. But first, take a look at this. I have never used a better power bank. The Clear Charging 170 is here and it charges. The two USB-C connectors and one USB-A port allow you to charge 3 devices at once, all thanks to the large 24,000 mAh battery, which provides a maximum power of 170 watt output and 140 watt input without breaking a switch. This power bank quickly charges my iPhone and MacBook Pro 14-inch. You can tell from the looks of it that you won't find anything like this on the market. It contains a smart display that allows you to fully control the charging process. When it comes to Samsung flagship phones, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will deliver the biggest zoom adjustment in the last 5 years. Yes, Samsung is planning to release a new 50-megapixel 5x zoom camera with a larger sensor size to replace the 10x zoom found on the last 4 generations of Galaxy S flagships. With the new sensor, Samsung hopes to produce the excellent zoom quality they have ever offered in the 5 to 10x range and even beyond. This is not the only zoom tweak that Samsung is introducing. The S24 Ultra's new optimized 200-megapixel sensor will include Samsung AnyPlay Zoom, a fresh new feature that Samsung has officially revealed. When capturing 4K video, you may now increase the zoom from 1 to 4x without sacrificing quality. Not only that, but you will be able to crop a 4x crop of any 4K video you have recorded on your phone. Select any frame and have 2 different recordings in your gallery. AI tracking will also be available for this zoom. So even if you are photographing in 1x mode, the phone will snap a 4x crop of the moving subject to track it completely. With this new 1 to 4x AnyPlay Zoom technology and 50-megapixel 5x zoom, the S24 Ultra may have the most comprehensive zoom performance when considering the 1 to 10x zoom range. Following that, we have desktop-level performance. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will be used only by the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This version of 8 Gen 3 has a faster GPU clock speed than a standard 8 Gen 3 for any other phones. The GPU capabilities of the S24 Ultra will be on par with an Apple M1 laptop processor, will surpassing the GPU capabilities of the Apple A17 Pro. Thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, will also see really additional CPU performance to the Apple A7 Pro processor. Following that is a titanium frame. A genuine titanium frame on the side will be one of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's main design upgrade. This is intended to make the phone more premium, stronger, and lighter than the previous version. In terms of design upgrades, Samsung is planning to go completely flat screen with the S24 Ultra. According to the live hands-on photographs we have seen of the phone, it has a totally flat display with a record-breaking screen-to-body ratio and even smaller bezels than the S23 Ultra. Last but not least, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will save your life. According to the CEO of Samsung LSI Business, Samsung will formally offer satellite connectivity to their flagship phones in 2024. With this, you will be able to send to receive emergency message from anywhere on Earth thanks to satellite connectivity. So there you have it. These are the top 10 changes to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The official unpacked launch date is reported to be January 17, 2024. That's it. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.